Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. And what you want to do is hold power key and home button together. So power key and home button. You should see like a screen with outline, white lines around. So let's hold it together. And when you saw that, that wasn't the message, it's more regarding the battery. So once you saw that line, once again, I can actually show it, that flash kinda. You can now find the screenshot being in the gallery, so right here, along with all the photos, but under a folder called screenshots. So once you tap on it, you can see there's the 2 screenshots that we took. From here you can edit them or remove them, so you can just tap on this to menu and remove it. But yeah, that's basically how you take a screenshot on the device, and you can do it wherever you are, so in a browser or on the home screen like I did. It doesn't matter, it will always work. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.